I am Andrew Whitehead. We set up this firm in 2001. We've nearly been going for 22 years now, and we started using Digital Servicebook 3 months since. We had Brad come and see us, talked to us all about it, we signed straight up to it and we've been using it, and it is a good product. Here in Todmorden, Todmorden M.O.T centre, we do service, repairs, basically everything apart from bodywork. And using the Digital Servicebook system works for us, it really does. With the Digital Servicebook system that they've been provided, it's really good. Basically we have so much of new cars coming through the door that don't have service books that we can stamp to prove that a service has been done. With this system it does work, not only for us but for our customers, and in case there's any recalls, anything then to do with Volkswagen, Audi, Mercedes, Seat, Alfa Romeo, all the people that don't do services books anymore. So this system really works. It also works really well for MOT reminders. It's a record of all vehicles that come through. With whatever you've done, you can put it on there, and your main dealers do know. Sharing data, basically we use Digital Servicebook every day. Nearly every job that comes through the door. If it's not related to a service or a fixed period service, we're using it now for MOT reminders because that customer is worth it to us. When Brad came to see me about the Digital Servicebook idea, he did actually mention that the warranties and things like that with the main dealers. We have not yet experienced any problem. Must be through our good work or something like that, I don't know. But as soon as a problem does arise, I think it will be dealt with quite adequately and quickly due to using Digital Servicebook. Digital Servicebook side, where you put the customer's phone number in, within seconds that customer is getting a text message saying they've been updated, would they like to view what's happened, and they've all come in going, hey, what's all this Digital Servicebook about? Wow, it's brilliant, it's really, really good. And our customers in Todmorden are really, really nice people, and they are so thankful for things like this. It's good, it is really, really good. I mean, I'm 52-year-old. I've been doing this job for 43, 44 years, and I bang spanners, I wave hammers, and now we've got to use computers. I'm pretty rubbish with computers, but the system is so easy to use. Digital Servicebook, it's like that, service times, dates, reminders, phone number, done.